Good morning, student. Yesterday I have discussed the two cases of calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now, case number 3. Before discussing, I want to say that this type of question are very important, and every year this type of question is asked in the CBSE board examination, and this is numerical question. If you calculate and answer this numerical question correctly, you get full marks. Now the third case is, suppose X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Z is admitted with 5/11 share, which he takes 3/11 from X and 2/11 from Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. Now, in this type of question problem, what you have to do, you have to calculate new share of the old partners. Now, what is the formula for calculating new share? The formula is old share minus sacrifice. Now, X new share will be calculated equal to X new share. Old share is 2/3 and sacrifice is already given in the question, 3/11. So old share 2/3 and sacrifice is 3/11. Then you will get LCM will be 33. Then you will get 13/33. Y's new share equal to old share is 1/3 and sacrifice is 2/11. 2/11 is given in the question. So by deducting 2/11 from old share 1/3, you will get 5/33. Then the new ratio between X, Y and Z will be X 13/33. 13/33 is to Y 5/33, and Z share is already given in the question, that is 5/11. The 5/11, you have to equal the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by 3. Then you will get 13:5:15. This is the answer of this type of question. Now case number 4. Case number 4, suppose A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C into partnership, giving him 1/2 share, in which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3:1. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In this problem, you have to find out A sacrifice. Now A sacrifice is 1/2. 1/2 partners giving 1/2 share. Here C share is total C share is 1/2, where A is sacrificing, A and B are sacrificing in the ratio of 3:2. So A sacrifice will be 1/2 into 3/4. You will get 3/8. Similarly, B sacrifice equal to C share is 1 by 2 into B sacrificing 1 by 4. Then we will get 1 by 8. Now you have to calculate age new share. Age new share, the formula is same, old share minus sacrifice. Here the old share of A is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus sacrifice is 3 by 8. The LCM will be 40. After simplification you will get 9 by 40. Similarly, B new share will equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 8. You will get 11 by 40. Now new ratio between A, B and C will be 9 by 40. 9 by 40 is to 11 by 40. 11 by 40 is to 1 by 2 already given in the question. Now you have to equal the denominator by multiply 20. Then you will get 9 is to 11 is to 20. Now case number 5. This is another case and last case in this type of question in admission of partnership. Suppose A and B share profits in the ratio of 3:2. They agreed to admit C on the condition that A will sacrifice 3 by 20th of his share of profits in favor of C, and B will sacrifice 1 by 20th of his profits in favor of C. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now in this question, what you have to do? You have to first of all calculate a sacrifice. A sacrifice will be 3 by 5 is his old share, and he is sacrificing 3 by 20th from his old share. So 3 by 5 into 2 by 20, you will get 9 by 100. Similarly, B sacrifice, B's old share is 2 by 5 into 1 by 20, you will get 2 by 100. Now you have to calculate age new share. Age new share will be old share minus sacrifice. Old share is 3 by 5 and sacrifice is 9 by 100. Denominator will be 100. Denominator will be 100, and you will get 51 by 100. Similarly, B new share will be old share is 2 by 5 and sacrifice is 2 by 100. Then you will get 38 by 100. Now you have to calculate C's new share. C's new share will be A sacrifice plus B sacrifice, because both A and B are sacrificing in favor of C. So what you have to do? You have to add both A and B sacrifice to get C's new share. Now A sacrifice is 9 by 100 and B sacrifice is 2 by 100. 2 by 100. Then you will get 11 by 100. Now new ratio between A, B and C, A is to B is to C equal to 51 by 100 is to 38 by 100, 51, 38, and C's new share is 11 by 100, 11 by 100. So you will get 11 is to 38 is to 51 is to 38 is to 11. This is the new ratio between A, B and C. Thank you.